I am now going to give you a room and a shared kitchen tour of our True Premium apartments. When you arrive with us at True Birmingham, you will get a fob key. This key will give you access into your main flat, which is the same access that your other flatmates get, but you will get the individual access to your room, so no one else can get in this room other than you. So it's really, really safe. Simply tap the key to the fob reader and open the door. So when you first come into the room space, you will see to the side that you have some hooks. This is really good for your coats or your bags, which you can put when you come in from university. And under here you have a radiator that will make your whole room space really nice and warm in the winter. You can control the heat of this, we don't control that, and you can make your room as hot or as cold as you would like it to be. Walking further into the room space, you get to your double wardrobe. It's really, really nice and big. The doors slide and are also mirrored so you can see your reflection. You've got a large shelf at the top that runs all the way along. You've got a hanging rail there, and you also have the same on the other side. And underneath you have 3 large shelves as well. Lots and lots of space for you to store your clothes. I'm just going to show you this other side as well so you can see it's exactly the same. The good thing as well about this is because it's mirrored, it means that you can use these plug sockets down here, plug in your hair dryers or hairstylers, and you can make sure you're looking good in the morning. Then coming on into the room space, you will obviously see your really large desk space. We understand that when you're staying with us, studying is going to be really important, so we've created a really nice space for you to do so here. You've got a long desk that runs all the way to the end. You have a pinboard at the back, again, runs all the way, and you can put your university timetable, pictures of loved ones, whatever you want up there. You have large shelves to the top, great for your knickknacks, folders, books, you name it, you can put it up there. A really, really comfortable desk chair. We know that you might be doing some late night studying and you want to be very comfortable when you do so. You've got a waste paper bin under here, and you've also got plug sockets underneath as well for you to charge your appliances, your laptops, stuff like that. Walking further into the room space, you will see you get a smart screen TV that is included in your room. With this, you can watch your Freeview channels like BBC, ITV and more. Plus, you've got smart capabilities so you can browse the web, watch YouTube, Netflix and lots like that. Plus, you can see here, this is our True TV channel. Really, really good. You can have a look to see what offers we've got on, what amazing events we've got coming up, plus loads of new guidance on coronavirus, which is really important at the moment. Here, you've got storage either side. Great for you to hide things away. And then you've got more plug sockets here with USB ports, and you've got a light switch that controls the light that's under your desk. Underneath, you've got even more storage for your clothes. So you've got a large chest of drawer up here, and then cupboards either side. Like so. Turning around, you can see you have a full-size double bed, and it's fitted with a true luxury mattress. This is what we call a Ottoman bed. So it just simply means pull on this tag and it opens. Great for you to put your suitcases or big boxes away so it's not pushing in space, and simply put it down. You have a window as well, of course, which you can open for some fresh air, and it comes with a blackout curtain so you can have a good night's sleep. Around here, I'm also going to show that to the side of your bed, you have shelves here. Great for you to charge your phone or for you to put your book before you go to sleep at night. And you've also got lights that control the room as well. So your light switch here can switch your lights on before you go to bed. You can see behind me, the thing that makes these apartments our true premium apartment is they come with their own couch. This couch is really, really comfortable. You can sit here and watch TV, or you can just chill out. You do also get a shared lounge within your kitchen space, but you've got a space in your room that you can relax in as well. Also to that, down here, you get a fully integrated fridge and freezer. Great if you want to keep some food in here or snacks and drinks whilst you're working in your room. You get a large shelf as well here, and up here you've got a really large storage space. so tons of space within the room for you to store your different items. Then coming down here, I'm going to show you your ensuite bathroom. So all our rooms here are fully ensuite. We don't believe in sharing a bathroom and we wouldn't want you to either. So this comes with a mirror that lights up from behind, so it's really good to make sure you're looking good before you leave to university in the morning. You have a sink with under sink storage. You have a really good top space, toilet, and of course a integrated flush. To this side you've got a large towel rail with towel hooks at the back. And last but not least, you have a walk-in shower with a waterfall shower head and a side shower as well. So now we've just shown you this room space, I'm going to show you that to lock your apartment door, you obviously wait until the door shuts and simply tap the receiver and that will be locked now, so no one else can go in there. The good thing about this is if you want to go and cook in your shared kitchen, you don't have to take your key with you every time because it doesn't lock automatically. But I'm going to show you your shared kitchen, so come along with me. Our true premium apartments come in flat sizes of either 6 ensuite bedrooms or 5. So get in touch with one of the team and we can help direct you to which flat's best for your preferences. So this is the shared kitchen and lounge space. And as you can see, they are really, really spacious. You have a large radiator that will keep the space nice and warm in winter. Here you've got a great lounge space, again with a smart screen TV. On that, you've obviously got all the smart capabilities we were talking about in your room, plus free view. You've got a couch and some seating area as well. And then over here, well, it speaks for yourself, you've got your shared kitchen. As this flat is catered to 6 ensuite bedrooms, you have a table with 6 chairs. You then also get 2 electric hobs with 4 rings each. So you get a total of 8 rings when you're cooking. Plenty of cooking space to go around for you and your flatmates. Under here you have a fully integrated oven. And then down here you have an oven and microwave combination. So you can do lots of different things with this machine. Here you have really good extraction. Because you're cooking, you want to make sure it sucks away all that lovely cooking smell. So you've got that as well. Or you can open up one of the windows as well. You've got here. As you can see behind me, there's tons and tons of cupboards, there's loads of storage space. You've got a really big countertop as well for you to cook. Plus, you even get a washing machine in these as well. So if you don't want to wash your pots and pans, just load it all in there and that'll do it for you. Of course, you've got your sink with side drainer. And last but not least, you have a full-size American-style fridge freezer. So you've got your fridge here, and on this side, you have your freezer space. So tons and tons of storage for you and your other flatmates. The great thing about these rooms is we have a fantastic group booking offer. So if you want to book one of these, or maybe 2, 3 of these rooms with your friends, get in touch because you can get cash back as well when you're booking a group. So ask one of the team and we'll be able to help you with that.